In this video, we'll be seeing how to download Oracle Virtualbox on top of Windows. Okay, let's start. You can click the first link which appears in the Google. So there are a couple of operating system which Oracle Virtualbox supports. For us, we'll be installing in Windows OS. So just tap on Windows OS. It will pop up and it will ask you where you have to store your VirtualBox. You can choose any of your desired location, and once it's saved, it starts getting downloaded. So once after it gets downloaded, just tap on the open button. So it's easy installation. Click on next. Choose the desired location where you want to place your local VirtualBox. Click check every box and just tap on install and wait till it gets installed. Just click on the finish button. Once it's done, you could see over here it gets installed over there.